Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and the stock of the day is Wish. This came actually from the AI right here. 975 was the entry. This is a short. Now we talked about this in the pre-market, okay? You see right here is an earnings play, and one of the things that really got me interested in it was the fact that when you take a look at Wish right here, look at the weekly chart, there is no support because this is an all-time low. So this was a little bit like ARRY yesterday, ARRY. It was an all-time low, had nothing to hold it up. So that's why Wish really was an attractive one for me this morning. The problem was that unfortunately my broker, Interactive Brokers, did not have any shorts available, but other people in our trading room were able to get shorts for Wish. So this certainly was the I call this the trade of the day, the stock of the day, because again it had earnings after hours yesterday. That is the mauve area. Look at the tan area right there, or the rosy area right there. That's the pre-market today. So it did not have any sort of a pop. And then once it got underneath 10, and it just kept cascading down. And this is a relatively new IPO. I think it IPO'd right here. This would have been back December of last year. So a new IPO, and obviously not doing very well at all. But that is definitely the trade of the day from the AI. Just unfortunate that I did not have shares available to trade. All right, I want to get back into the trading room, and again, the test drive is still on. You can still sign up for it. You'll get the balance of today, depending on when you're listening to this video or seeing this video. But realistically, you'll have 6 trading days: tomorrow, Friday, and then all next week, the 5 trading days of next week. It'll cost you $8.99 to try us out. All right, hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.